Hello, everyone. How you guys are doing? My name is KeKe, and I am getting ready to um have do a beauty class for you guys. All right. So I wanted to do this for y'all because I wanted y'all to be able to experience a what's the word? Educational moment as far as learning about different products that can benefit you as far as, when you're at home. Because uh, when a lot of us, and I mean a lot of female, a lot of ladies, we tend to only treat our skin when we go to our esthetician, right? But our skin doesn't just need like um like what's the word I'm trying to go with here? It doesn't need care on different occasions or once a month, depending on how often you go to your esthetician, right? But our skin needs love all the time, all right? And in skincare health, I keep saying this, but skincare health is a thing, all right? So it does exist, and you do want to make sure you have healthy skin, all right? And so we have to learn how to um, make sure we take care of our skin, you know, when we're at home by ourselves, when we're, when we're not under esthetician care, all right, or we're not at the esthetician appointment, all right. So that's what I'm trying to say here, all right. So I am the person to go to for all of that, all right. So I teach women how to care for your skin all the time, and not just when you go to your get your facial done with your esthetician, or when you get your microdermabrasion, or whatever appointment you schedule with your esthetician. All right. Again, there's nothing wrong with going to your esthetician. There's nothing wrong with getting that quality time where you're treating yourself. It's nothing wrong with that. I'm all for it. But also, I am for making sure you're caring for your skin on a consistent basis and not just on occasions. All right. So that's the whole purpose behind all of this. All right. So I do beauty classes. I do beauty class sessions. I do skincare classes. I do consultations. I do all of it. All right. And I do all of that because I want to teach women and men, not just women. Men have skin too. Men have to prioritize. My pronunciation, here he goes. I have a horrible pronunciation, y'all. But men's have to, it's just a must have to also care for their skin because they do have skin. Like, they have skin too. And so it's important for men as well as women to care for your skin. All right. And I'm all about teaching that. All right. So enough of me talking on my soapbox here, and I'm gonna get ready to get started. All right. So the first thing I want to show you and talk about is muscular water. All right. Now, how many ladies are using muscular water? I mean, just be really honest, contemplate this, think about it. How many of you is actually using muscular water, right? Muscular water can become your BFF. And the reason why I say it can become your BFF, because what you use it for is to remove any any like germs or anything on your skin, like of course makeup, of course. So if you have like lipstick or foundation, it's definitely great to use muscular water. What I love about Mary Kay's muscular water is that it is gentle yet effective, no rinsing or harsh rubbing required. It removes impurities, helps break down the face makeup, leaves skin hydrated. So your skin does stay hydrated. I use it so many times, y'all. My skin always feel moisturized after using the muscular water, right? Mary Kay's muscular water. Also, like I was saying, if you have any type of foundation on, or if you have eyeshadow on, well, usually with my eyeshadow, I use the oil, I say oil. I use my Mary Kay makeup oil remover. All right, I use that, but also I use the muscular water too. I use both. All right, and so with the muscular water. Like if you have like lipstick on, you can use the muscular water for that. You can use muscular water for your foundations. your CC creams, whatever, your blush. You can, just get a good wash with using the muscular water. Like I said, it is very gentle. You don't have to like rub real hard just to get anything off. That's what I love about it. You use your cotton pad, and just wipe it off. Pour the muscular water into your cotton pad or washcloth, whatever you prefer, and just wipe, you know wipe the makeup off, or you can even just use it before you do your nightly skincare routine. Something that I love to do, is you can use the muscular water for that as well. Like if you want, say you're not really wearing makeup at all, but you can definitely use the muscular water to just remove all that germs, because once you step out, best believe you got germs on your skin. All right, so you want to use something to clean all that off before you use your cleanser at night, because you definitely need to have a skincare routine at night, morning and night. All right. So definitely try out the muscular water for sure. All right. It is one of the best things that you can definitely do for yourself. You can take it with you to the gym. If you like to exercise, you definitely can take this with you. All right. So I do have bestie bundles. So for the muscular water, and like I was saying, with the eye makeup remover, um, those two go hand in hand. I do specials for that called the bestie bundle, because they really are the bestie bundle. The eye makeup remover is good to remove, like I said, eyeshadow off your eyes. Um, it's good. Um, you know, the eyeliner, if you wear eyeliner, it's good for all of that. All right. So you definitely, it's like a must have in your collection. All right. So just want to show you that. Also, a tip here, if you add a facial brush cleanser, sorry, a facial brush cleanser to your regimen for a cleaner and better skin, and for a better chance of removing mites, pollution, and bacteria, um, this right here is a must-have. So if you do, like if you want to add, so basically what I'm trying to say is, if you purchase any type of skincare set with me, you would definitely get a discount on the makeup, on the, I said makeup, on the cleaner, on the facial brush cleanser or cleaner, whatever. I'm getting tongue-tied here, y'all. But basically, I will offer you a discount if you buy any type of skincare set. All right, skincare set. If you buy any type of skincare set, you will get the brush at a discount price. All right, that's what I want to say. All right, but you definitely want to try it. It is another must-have. I use it. It's just one of those things that you want to make sure that you're, getting all the dirt, all, everything off your face. And I absolutely love using it. Right. All right. Here is something that I absolutely love. You can even hang it. You could take it with you. It is the makeup roll bag, travel roll bag. You can put all your makeup in there. You can put all your skincare in there. I do both. And it has like a little hook. You can hang it up. It is definitely a must have. And y'all, once you have this, you're gonna be like, where was this all my life? Like seriously. So this is a must have for sure. Ask me about it if you're interested. All right. Next thing. All right. So bye bye blackheads and hello clear skin. Clean your skin with the power of activated Choco, and lock in your moisture and de-stress and nourish your skin. All right. So with the Choco mask, you're definitely detoxing your skin. You with the bentonite, with bentonite being into the Choco mask, peppermint being in the Choco mask, it is one of those like benefits that your skin is definitely getting when you're using a Choco mask. All right, because you're detoxing your skin, but also at the same time you're treating your skin. Also, your skin is getting that nourish that it needs, all in one. All right, and then you add that with the Mary Kay Time Wise moisturized mask. You putting that moisture back into like your skin. So basically the Choco is detoxing, and then you want to get the moisture back into your skin by using the Time Rise. All right, and Time Rise definitely do that. All right. So that's where you lock in your moisture, but you de-stress and you nourish your skin. All right. So both of those things are a must to have in your collection. We have good, amazing, affordable prices when you get two of these. All right, the Choco Mess and the Time Wise. All right, and again, they are a must have. All right, I love both. All right, and like I said, your skin needs it. All right, your skin definitely needs it. All right, so don't forget that. All right, so let's talk about the MK consultant versus the VIP customer, right? So say you do want to be a consultant, all right? Say that you want to become an MK consultant like myself. How can you do that? All right. Or what's the benefits of doing that? All right. So you get 50% off on all products. That's a one amazing benefit. You earn trips, so you get to go to different places. So that's another benefit. You get to earn a Cadillac. Again, keyword is earn. You get a chance to earn to be able to drive the company car. All right. So who doesn't love that, right? You get to work anywhere. I'm sorry, y'all. You get to work anywhere. So that's like a also a plus right there. I'm trying to like silence my phone here. Something I should have did already. Am I not seeing what I need to see here? Um, so give me a minute here. Sorry, y'all. Should have just did this already. All right. So where was I at? You get to work anywhere. So you get to work when you're out, you get to work when you're at home, you get to work anywhere you want to work at. All right. You get to take your business with you. If you have to go, on a trip somewhere, you can take your business with you. All right. So you work anywhere. All right. You get to earn money. All right. Who doesn't like to earn money? You get to help people. Basically, you get to help people feel beautiful. You get to help people to find what works for them as far as products go. You get to, again, you are in control of your business, but also at the same time, having that ability to be able to help other women is something about that you can't. There's no words to describe that. There's no words to describe being able to have uh, that privilege to be able to help other people find what works for them with their skin and find the right products for them. I think that is amazing. All right. Um, you also get to build confidence. A lot of us, we don't realize it, but we, a lot of us have really low self-esteem about ourselves. And this being part of Mary Kay, we touch so much on self-esteem, on how to build your self-esteem and how to, to realize that, I don't know, it just, the trainings that they provide, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. The trainings that they provide, it teaches you about yourself. It teaches you what type of person you are. It helps you to grow. So that's what I love about being a Mary Kay consultant or MK consultant. All right. So lifelong friendship. So something about the sisterhood, y'all. The sisterhood. We call it sisterhood because you make friends. You get to build relationships with other consultants. Y'all get to know you get to know I can't even talk, y'all. I'm so sorry. You get to a chance to get to know each other. All right. You get to build relationships. You get to learn from one another. All right. So it's just that sisterhood that you build in the long run, that it's nothing like it. All right. So that's the reason why I love being an MK consultant. All right. So you get 50% off, like I said, on all products. All right. So that is like amazing. All right. And really, there's hardly no companies that give you 50% off on products. I mean, you get 30%, maybe 35%, 20%, 25%, but not 50%. And that is a beautiful thing. All right. So definitely that's something that you want to just, meditate on, think about, and realize that there really ain't that many companies that does that. All right. So just the fact that that Mary Kay even, you know, thought to do that for her consultants is just mind-blowing. All right. So that's all of the benefits as far as being a consultant goes. All right. Let's focus on the customer side. So say, I just want to be a VIP customer. I just want to be a customer. That's totally fine. You get special discounts. All right. You get to be a part of the referral program. So anytime you refer tell your friends, tell your family, tell your your coworkers, tell your associates, whoever you tell, and recommend them to come to me, or or depending on who your consultant is, that gets rewarded. All right, you get rewarded for doing that. You get discounts on products, or sometimes you may get free products. In my case, a lot of times when it comes to the referral program, I like to offer free products to anytime my VIP customers refer other people to me. All right, so that is I reward that. So that is a plus plus. All right, so free shipping for $45 and up. All right, so you get free shipping on your products when you if you have $45 or up. All right, for free shipping. All right, so flash sales, so you be a part of the flash sales for sure. So anytime there is a huge sale, you get notified. You would know about it. All right, also you get great skin. All right, because if you're under me, you under my care, I'm gonna make sure you have great skin. Right. And then, of course, you get to be a part of the birthday club. So anytime it is your birthday, you will get discounts. All right, discounts, discounts, discounts. Okay, because it is your birthday. All right, so that's it. That's all the good reasons as to why, or all the benefits as to being if you want to remain a VIP customer. All right, so consultant, customer is really up to you which one you choose, but you get benefits out of both. All right, so it's almost like a win-win on both, but of course the consultant part, I think, outweighs the customer, just because you get the chance to earn money. All right, so that's right. Spring looks. So these are the eyeshadows that we have, and I love it. We got cherry blossoms, spring flowers, lavender, let's. All right. Foundation fundamentals. So why should I wear foundation? Foundation evens your skin tone and hides the blemishes. It is the foundation that creates a flawless face. Flawless face. All right. So that's the reason why you should wear foundation. All right. Mary Kay Extra Emollient Night Cream. So the night cream is like the best. I love using the Mary Kay Emollient Night Cream. All right, because it does moisturize your skin. I love it to even use it underneath my breast, just because I used to deal with rashes being underneath my breast, and now I don't, because I've been using the Mary Kay Emollient Night Cream. All right, so that is like a life changer for me, game changer, life changer. I love it. All right, so this is how you get connected with me. You might want to take a picture, screenshot, or take a picture of this, or a screenshot, whatever you want to do. All right, this is my website. You want to go to my website and be able to shop, or take the where it says, I think it should say referral. This is my contact info too. So like I said, take a picture of this really fast. Take a picture of this to actually see if I can go. And I don't know if you guys are seeing this. So let me stop screen sharing and I'm gonna reshare really fast here. Now I know you're watching it or seeing it. All right, so if you scroll, it says refer a friend to win a prize. So you can definitely fill out the form so you can win a prize. All right, and so all you're doing is referring different friends so you can win a prize. Here is my website. So if you want to shop, earn free stuff, you click on my website. Let's see if it lets me do this. Here's my website. I'll let y'all do this at your own time. But this is my website. I just wanted to show y'all so you know. All right, y'all, I have to go. Love y'all. Bye.